Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update. This is for October 18th through the 26th. I apologize, this is getting out a little late. I was out sick at the beginning of the week this week, but I am back and ready to go. And so here is the information that you guys have been looking for in regards to Safety Week, Red Ribbon Week, and other things coming up. First off, I think we've talked about this in multiple other newsletters, that we do have parent conferences going strong right now. We really want to make sure that every single parent meets with the teacher, and this is just important for us so that we can build a partnership with parents on making sure that we give each child the best opportunity possible every day when they come in the door. So please make sure, if you haven't had a meeting set up yet, that you get one set up at this pretty quickly. School Safety Week is coming next week, and so you will get a letter home today that will go over kind of the things that we'll be covering and the things that we'll be addressing with your kiddos so that you can be ready to talk about any of that stuff with them. We do that in a very kid-friendly way, as we're very aware of the age of our kids on our campus, but it is important to us that we make sure that safety is a #1 priority for all of our kids on our campus, and that they are a partner with us in understanding what they need to do if they were ever put into a situation where a drill became something that was a reality. So those are some things we'll be practicing and really working through and focusing on all next week, as we'll continue to do that throughout the entire year, but next week is a focus. Red Ribbon Week. All right, let's go down here. We are going to be doing that October 29th through the 2nd, which is going to be aligned up with our intermediate campus. Our days are pretty similar. Monday is don't get mixed up into drugs, so you can wear mismatched socks or crazy hair or a crazy hat, just kind of getting a little, silly on that day. Tuesday, follow your dreams, don't do drugs, and kiddos can wear pajamas, obviously, that are appropriate. Say boo to drugs. So that day we'll all dress as our favorite storybook or nursery rhyme character. I know kindergarten has already had that day planned, so that's exciting. We really ask no masks or scary costumes. We want to kind of keep this a nice, a fun day for all of our kids. Thursday is no matter the time, be drug free, and so that's a throwback Thursday, so you can really dress from any era, and that's always a funny day, and you can do that really simply, or some of you guys may have grand ideas for that. And then November 2nd, show your armor against drugs. So basically, we're asking our elementary kiddos to wear Brock Spirit wear, because we will be attending the BHS pep rally on that day. And so we also have, I know at the intermediate, they're also wearing the Under Armour attire. So if kiddos want to do that, they can as well. We also have that drive-in movie night coming up. I believe that's October 20th at 7. And that is Hotel Transylvania is going to be the movie that is for our kiddos. So go out and support NHS on that. So those are just a couple things that are coming up that are big for us. There's also some other dates that we have right here, so make sure and check those out. I hope you guys have a great week. I'm excited for the Ranch Pep Rally tomorrow. It's going to be super fun. I hope the whole community makes it out. I hope you guys have a great week and weekend. Go Eagles!